Hey guys, what's up? Sandeep, Ramesh here. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another new day, another new episode. Oh, hang on. It's not an episode, but this is season 2 of my motorcycle vlogging series. And in season 2, it's all about the beautiful places in and around Karnataka. So, Karnataka nodana, Anandisona. There'll be a bit of hills, a bit of forest, and a little bit of beach. And this is going to be hopefully an awesome journey of T.R.I.B.E exploring Karnataka. And I will showcase you all the beautiful places that I see the way I see and try to capture the emotions. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to stay notified for all such beautiful moments that I capture, right? So day 1 coming up. Finally on the highway. This incredible feeling of getting the wind in your chest while riding. And you know for a fact that you're going to discover a lot of magnificent places. And you're all packed up. This is an irreplaceable feeling. So this is season 2 of my motorcycle vlogging series. Like I mentioned earlier, this is Into the Wild, where we're exploring the wild side of Karnataka. Okay. We've taken a quick break. We had to have breakfast. So we're going to, from what I've heard, is a very special place to have breakfast at Hassan. So that's where we're headed to. This is the place where we have breakfast. HVR veg. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಈ ಜಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಿಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And of course my man noodle 23 noodle.
Name the suggestion.
Yes, you're the suggestion. Yes. Pretty awesome place. So really, it's one for the craving and one for the taste bud. So next we are headed to Chikmagaluru, where we would be going to have lunch probably, and then we head straight to the homestay. The countryside of roads. Beautiful moment. This is where Arvind studied. So there, Mountain View Pre-University College. ಯಾವುದೋ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕಣಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಮುಂದೆ. ಅವಿನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ, ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. Chikmagaluru's latest lime soda maker, 23 noodle. This actually you can name it as
23 rupees, 23 rupees.
No, noodle soda.
Huh?
Noodle soda.
ಯಾರು ಟೋಕನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಯಾರು?
ಒಂದು ನಾನೇ.
Sorry. Who wanted soda? No, it's me. Take. I am the test piece. Masala ಬೇಕಾ salt?